How to open HEIC files in Windows 10. Hello Windows 10 users, having trouble opening HEIC image files on your PC. In this tutorial I'll show you how to easily view and convert HEIC files in Windows. Let's get started. Open your web browser and search for the HEIC codec for Windows 10. Download and install a reputable codec pack that supports HEIC file format. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the HEIC codec on your Windows 10 PC. Once installed, restart your computer if necessary. After installation, you should be able to view HEIC image files directly in the Windows Photo app or any other image viewer you prefer. If you prefer to convert them into a more widely supported format like JPEG, you can use online converters or dedicated software for batch conversion. Search for a converter in your web browser and choose a reliable website and upload your files, then select the output format as JPEG and download the converted ones. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily open or change the format of your HEIC files in Windows 10 using a codec pack or another converter online. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks, and share this video with your friends and hit the like button. See you in the next one.